Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about how we build houses, but in a way that helps protect our planet.
Because buildings are not just strong, they can also be smart and eco-friendly.
Let's discover how engineers build the future.
Long ago, people used natural materials like wood, stone, and mud. Simple and natural, like a forest house. Then we started using concrete, steel, and bricks. Very strong, like superhero buildings. But there was a problem. Making these materials uses a lot of energy and creates pollution. So now engineers try something new, eco-friendly materials, strong and kind to earth.
Let's look at some cool ones. Engineered wood, made by gluing layers of wood together, stronger than normal wood and can replace steel in some building parts. Hempcrete, made from hemp plant plus lime, very light and great for insulation, but used only in walls, not heavy structures. Bamboo, grows super fast and is very strong, used in houses, scaffolding, and light structures. Low-carbon concrete, like normal concrete but with less pollution, still strong and used in buildings and bridges. Recycled concrete, made from old broken buildings, we crush it and reuse it in new roads and construction.
Let's go to Norway. There is a super cool building called Mjøstårnet. It is one of the tallest wooden buildings in the world. Yes, wood, not Lego. Real wood. It uses engineered wood instead of steel and concrete for many main parts. So basically, engineers said, wood can also go big. And they designed it so carefully that it stays strong, stable, and safe. Just like a normal skyscraper, but greener.
Build smart, build strong, build green. See you next time.